I'm Bibi.
I'm Luis.
And this is Meat and Bone. Today, we're doing scallops.
We're actually doing dry scallops. You ever cooked dry scallops before?
I don't even know what that means.
Dry scallops mean that they haven't been treated with any additives to retain water. So they're going to cook better, they're going to eat better because they're going to sear and caramelize better. What you typically buy at your grocery store is going to be treated with additives to help it retain water. Makes them heavier, but when you cook them, all that weight is going to be lost. Okay. Dry scallops are going to just be the same shape and size.
Awesome. And I see here that they say wild caught, but it also says U8. What does that even mean?
Well, U8 means they're colossal. They're the bigger size of scallops out there. There's going to be about 8 scallops per pound. So this is going to be on the most premium side of the scallops you can find. This is what you would find at a high-end steakhouse.
All right, let's get started.
There's nothing like a good scallop, but finding good scallops are hard to find. It took us a while to be able to sell these beautiful U8 wild-caught Boston Dry Scallops. Today, we are cooking these scallops using the Victoria Signature Series skillet. They are built using a proprietary Spherrous Iron Technology, which makes this skillet literally unbreakable.